Ladies and gentlemen, we're back at one of our favorite spots in Las Vegas. It's Area 15. Crazy art, crazy times, and we're here to share this with some of my friends. And that's right, we're bringing the ORBY team to Area 15 to have a grand time and show them one of the attractions here in the United States. When I got invited out by Cheog-Gyu to go to the IRC, he made a point of taking me out to some of the best restaurants and best sites in Seoul. And so I want to return the favor with him here in the States, and we're taking him out to a crazy time. Our friends are here! And a super big thank you to Shannon, our sponsor liaison, who got Area 15 to sponsor Skorpios and arranged this amazing party tonight. It couldn't have happened without her. Woo! Having fun yet?
Yeah! Are you?
Yeah. I think that's where we're going. So we just noticed this Stop the Robot sign looks suspiciously like rusty. Apparently David Eaton
takes over the world!
All right, round one. It's the drivers going head to head. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's
Watch your head, watch your step.
Driver against driver. Operator.
Skorpios! ORBY blend!
Oh, you just made it in. Way to go, Skorpio.
So how was it, you guys?
Awesome. Who won?
You did.
Me?
Now we're 1-1.
Hit it.
I won.
What? So Diana made 100 commemorative poker chips to commemorate our big epic fight with Blade. If you would like one, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment on who you want us to fight most this season. We do giveaways all the time, so please like and subscribe to the Skorpios Builder blog. Here we go. It's time for Museum Fiasco! Absolutely crazy, and we've worked up a little bit of an appetite, so now we're heading downstairs to The Beast, which is an amazing restaurant with a French Laundry chef cooking some amazing dishes. Something Diana and I were very excited to try this time when we came was they have a Hydra drink Diana wanted to see if she could finish, and the Kraken Burger, which was going to be my challenge. So Diana, tell me what you got tonight.
Well, I have the Hydra. We're gonna see how easily Hydra can go down. And then
take down the other Hydra just as easily in the arena, Jake.
And it looks like ORBY's also practicing taking down Hydra. In fact, the whole team is. Look out, Mayachi! Here we come! Oh my god, that is a huge plate of food. So here we go. This is the Kraken Burger, 5 patties, and the Hydra. This is a full night of battling, ladies and gentlemen. So how is everything? How Americans eat 5 patties at a time.
Oh. Hey Zach, what does Kraken taste like?
Tastes like victory.
Oh!
How is it?
It's wonderful.
That is disgusting. Poor Kraken.
I'm going to finish Kraken if it kills me. And it might kill me. Diana.
This Hydra went down very easy. I look forward to seeing how easy your Hydra goes down.
I can't finish Kraken. He was too big and too mighty for me. Nobody tell that. Nobody tell that pirate.
Hello.
What is that?
Caramelized banana?
Caramelized bananas. Bananas!
Good for banana restaurants?
I love what they've done with Billy.
Yeah. We're having fun. Well, this was another fantastic night in Area 15.
Thank you, Donna. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you, Laura.
We had an absolute blast. The ORBY team's having so much fun, they don't want to leave. So they're staying to see the rest of the sites. But we got our next battle to get to. So I hope everyone enjoyed this episode of the Skorpios Builder Blog, and we will see you next time. Be sure to tune in to the Discovery Channel tomorrow at 8 o'clock for episode 4 of season 6. We make our triumphant return to the box, and we are fighting ORBY Blade in our very first match of season 6. Do not miss it. This big poor robot. What happened to it? Rusty, what have they done to you?
Rusty, no!